Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the video divide function on the LUMIX L10 to split your video into two. Of course you can do this multiple times and you can select exactly where you want to cut the video. Why would you do this? Well, maybe you want to get the first part or another part of the video and post it right away. You don't have access to your computer or you don't have access to your editing software and just want to get a bit of that video and post it online. And you can do that right away in camera. So let's jump into the camera. Let's take a quick video and then show you how you can do this. We're going to start the video now. That should about 5 seconds or so. We can then stop. Go to playback by pressing the playback button here. Then go to menu. And under menu, go all the way down until you see the playback icon here. And then go to the scissors icon. And here, select video divide. Here, we actually get another menu where we can actually navigate through the different files. Of course, I want to divide this last video, right? The last file, 102 out of 2. So we're going to hit set. We're going to pause it. And let's say, actually want to go a little bit further back, just about halfway. And when I'm happy, I can just press the set button here. We get a prompt asking us if we actually want to do this. And a little bit of a note that we should not remove the battery or the memory card while this is happening. Of course, this is important when you're doing it for larger video files because it might take a little bit of time and you may be tempted to just simply remove the battery or do something else. So please be careful with that. I'm going to hit yes. And as you saw, from 102, we now have one more video there. So we can just go to the right. We'll be able to see that now we have a 2-second video and a 3-second video. All right. Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.